How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you here today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button and search apps and notification. Then click on apps and notification and search for WhatsApp. After finding WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp and then force stop the app. Then go to permission, which is below notification, and then make sure your permission is granted to call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, and SMS. After finishing that, simply go to Play Store and search WhatsApp and make sure there is no new update available. If there is update available, simply update the app. And that's how you fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.